Hi everyone, welcome to the log cabin. A couple of weeks ago I was in Scotland with some friends and we had the log cabin delivered, ended up on a drive. So in a matter of a couple of weeks I've had to build this. Now there is a reason for building this, and that is between me and my family. But yeah, but it's coming on. Got the electric sorted, got the lights on, I've got the consumer unit in down there, and I've got some various sockets. One there, in fact there's a couple there, yet to be finished, it's down there. And then obviously there's some more, where are we? Down there. And I've still got to do the rest of the cladding and the insulation up on the roof. But this has taken me just over 2 weeks. Now I work part-time, and every hour I've spent on this, apart from one weekend where I went away, I just had to get away from it. So you can see where all your time goes. This has taken so far over 200 hours. And I'll put some pictures in before and after and during. So you can see it's not really easy to build one of these. The instructions are absolutely rubbish. I mean, it looks nice. Yeah, it's got to be painted. These walls are going to be painted blue. But I've tried to hide all the screws. It's all screwed. It's all countersunk and screwed, insulated. Got to finish the trims off here, so it's nowhere near finished. It's quite cool actually. I do like it. It's nice and warm in here. I've only got a little thermostatic controlled heater. It just comes on and off. I quite like it. It's like a man cave, but it's not going to be a man cave, it's going to be a girl cave. It's going to be an escape from the house. Anyway, this is what I've been up to over the last couple of weeks. So my van life videos have suffered a little bit. I know I'm not the greatest, but this is the reason why I've concentrated on building this. So there you go. 200 hours spent on a log cabin, and it's not finished yet. So I better crack on, I suppose, don't I? Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this little video of what I've been doing. You know, it's not always about vans. I do have a home life as well. And yeah, I never stop. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.